Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to earn recurring income by offering memberships or subscription plans, Wix make it easy. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually set up subscriptions on Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, just open your device, make sure everything is looking good. Go all the way to open your Wix dashboard. After this, just tap on the website. Go log in using your email address and password. After it's fully done, it will take you automatically to this dashboard. Let me show you. Okay, we're gonna go back to the main dashboard. Okay, they're gonna give you this website. If you have more than one, you can pick from. For me, I'm gonna go with this restaurant kind of website of mine. Okay, so we have these sales, we have orders, gift card sales, payments and finances, reviews and getting paid, pay links and all of this information. You can also add basically pricing plan or whatsoever. We have this button as well, customer and lead, community, loyalty program. As you see here, loyalty program, let's give it a look. You want customers with a loyalty program as you see. You can also activate it as well if you want your customers to have a kind of stars or loyalty program. As for the basically pricing plan, you can go all the way to the apps. Okay, we show you how app market. It will take us automatically to the app market. Now we're gonna go and look for the pricing plans. Pricing plans. Okay, we're gonna hit enter. Wix pricing plans. Okay, we are looking for this one. Pricing plans. Okay, I will just copy this one for example and paste it on the search bar here. Okay, tap enter again. It will take us automatically to the app. All you're gonna do now is basically install it, give it all of the, just tap add to site, give it basically all of the informations needed. After this, tap on create new plan, choose the subscription type, then search pricing and billing cycle. Choose if it's weekly, monthly, or maybe yearly billing and set the price. Then customize the plan details, add a plan name, description, and benefits. And last, just connect a payment method and publish the plan. That's basically it. That's how you add a pricing plan to your website in Wix in 2026. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.